In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. If you have mistakenly deleted an email or can't seem to find them, do not worry, I will show you the steps you can use to recover them with a tool provided by Google. Although this isn't a guarantee that you will find all your permanently deleted emails, this will only try to recover emails from Google servers. First thing you can do is go ahead and search through your email. Now, if you can't find the email you're looking for, you can click on more and check your trash. If you still can't find the email in your trash, this is what you can do. You can go to your computer and search for Gmail messages are missing. Under Google Help, you will see Gmail messages are missing computer. You can also do this for mobile. Click on this and then scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see most of my emails are missing. Click on this and you see we can help find your missing email and secure your account. Click on this. This will load the Gmail recovery tool. So this reads that you are currently logged in and trying to recover lost emails. For this email, we will try to recover emails that were deleted within the last 30 days. Click on continue. So if you have any emails that have been deleted within 30 days, to attempt to help you recover your deleted emails. If the missing emails can't be recovered, you'll get a result which says, unfortunately, your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can't get them back. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe and have the post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.